Well, we went to Jack-o'-lantern World in Lake Zurich, Illinois, and it was beyond. It's held in a park, and these lanterns are everywhere. It was worth the price, it was worth the time, it was worth the drive. We drove about a little over 3 hours to get there, and it was unbelievable. I was going to go live. Now, watch this dragon. Those are all pumpkins. I was going to go live from there. There was just too many people. Wouldn't have been appropriate. And then look at them on light up and then, but those are all pumpkins. And some of these carvings by professionals were absolutely insane. I can't even tell you how much this got me into the mood for fall, Halloween. The weather had just changed, so it went from hot, which is unusual for the Midwest, to chilly, very chilly overnight. And there will be strobe lights coming up, so if that's something that bothers you, it will be coming up on the pirate ship. But there are thousands and thousands and thousands of pumpkins at this. It is absolutely magnificent. Look at the moon in the background. The pirate ship that's coming up, it plays music. Like I said, I wanted to go live, but there was just too many people. So this is outside of Chicago, and here's the pirate ship. Strobe lights bother you, I would skip this part. And look at how it lights up the trees. It was just absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, this park is right on Lake Zurich, and here are the dolphins. These are out in the water, but when you see up close, these dolphins are composed of pumpkins, and it is amazing. And so when you stand on this dock, you can really get a good look at these dolphins, and it plays dolphin sounds in the background. Just absolutely unbelievable when you see how these pumpkins are put into this dolphin shape. It was absolutely gorgeous. It was just amazing. And then this is a little bit of the lake and what it looks like when you get to the park and all the lights that you see in the ambiance of fall. This could not be like any more fall. So here are people of Chicago, famous people of Chicago that have been carved, or places, etc. And these are done by professionals. So as you can see, they are pretty amazing. And I really loved looking at these. They really blew me away because these are carved right into here. And so we went really slow through this just to take in the amazing art that was done. It was beyond. I met Vince Vaughn, so I did a little extra one of him. And they're just absolutely beautiful. And look at the trees lit up. That really, the ambiance, I'm going to say that word over and over again. And someone's going to say, she says ambiance a lot. Yes, I do, because look at this. If this doesn't say fall all over it, I don't know what does. These are bat pumpkins that hang above you, and then pumpkins to each side as you walk through this. It was absolutely mind-blowing and so cool. And they played the best music in the background, all fall Halloween music. And you just keep going and going and going. And they had vendors outside. Here's more of the professional ones. Look at Wednesday Adams. They had professional food vendors outside, Look at this one. And so you could get all sorts of food before you came in. They had picnic tables. You could sit down and eat. They had some options inside of once you got into Jack-o'-lantern World as well. But it was, wow. And at the very end, they have all this blow-up stuff that I'm sure was an extra cost, but since my husband and I went alone, we had no reason to go into all of the blow-up slide and all of that kind of stuff. But they had a whole section of just that. They had a section with some mini golf. There's that corn. I'm going to say it's Iowa corn, but that's because I'm from Iowa. But look at this. I mean, you guys, if you're near here, this is so worth it. And like I said, they start over each week. Number one, especially with the way the heat had been, they would have had to, like this tree. I had to do this tree. Look at how beautiful it is. Then they had a whole bunch of presidents, a whole section of presidents. It was just so beautiful. And you follow these lights, so it tells you exactly where to go next and to keep going with the flow. Now this next section was butterfly wings. As you can tell, my husband took this, so he didn't get all the wings in there. And then they had a little Gigi's playground area, and I'm a grandma and I'm known as Gigi, so I thought this was really cute with flowers. Now look at how all these are synced to light up at the same time in different colors. Just very, very cool. I'm bringing this to you for the people who cannot go, that would just love it. Now look at this. There's just more and more and more, and it just keeps going and going and going. And we're going to be getting here to the largest carved jack-o'-lantern. So it is this huge pumpkin that has been carved out to be a jack-o'-lantern, and it is beautiful. Like I said, the cost, and you can look it up. So this is, I just Googled jack-o'-lantern light up. Here's the carved one. And Jack-o'-lantern World came up. And when I found out that it was only a few hours away from us, I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna at the last minute go do this, which we did. And it was, gosh, I would go back there in a second. Now look at this carving of this, even the stars. Again, the trees. I'm just telling you, the trees are beautiful. And then this is a whole Mickey Mouse Steamboat Willie scene in each pumpkin from beginning to end. Now, how brilliant is that? Every single one, it's just, I'm telling you, the imagination and the artistry that went into these pumpkins. Now, if any of you know, I used to really carve pumpkins, I mean, for 10 hours. And these pumpkins were even longer than that. Here's the world's tallest ghost. Ooh. It was just magical. So anyway, if you're anywhere near here, check it out. It was amazing. Happy fall, everyone. I look at the pumpkins hung from the tree. These are real pumpkins hanging from the tree when you first come in. Thank you, Jack-o'-lantern World. We enjoyed this thoroughly, and we will be back next year. Well done.